dominated, and you dominated. So that's why. That is why we do what we do. I asked you to own your fight. And I saw you out there. I saw you in the jungle. I saw us in KTA. And you dominated. And I loved it. I loved every minute of it. Do the right recovery. Do it right. Because I'm going to call on you again to dominate again. Okay? Next week, they gonna know who the hell we are. Everybody is gonna know.
What can I say? I got a type. And my types got me. Message.